Now, trademarks, they protect names, and as I will explain, names, logos, slogans, and trademarks typically answer the question which. Right? The magic word for trademarks is which. So which cab company, which book company, which software company, which lawyer. Copyright protects longer stuff like books, software, videos, music, pretty much literature, stuff like that. Patents protect inventions. Trade secrets protect something that's secret and has value because it's secret. And industrial designs, they protect visual elements of mass-produced items. Right? So for trademarks, really it's what you put on the business card. Right? How are people supposed to identify you from a ton of other business cards that they've received? Same thing when they Google for something generic, they will have a list of those companies that provide those services. So how does one stand apart from all the others? Right?